Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Signal account to another device. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first you have to click on your profile, which is at the top left corner, then click on the account, and then you can see the transfer account to a new Android device. And here you can see the steps: download Signal on your new Android device, tap on transfer or restore account, and select transfer from Android device when prompted, and then continue. Keep both devices nearby. So now click on the continue, and now the app will search for the new Android device, then it will make the connection between the two, and then you are all set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.